In this video, we're going to review the Beard Club. Let's get started. Growing a thick and even beard is a common goal for many men, and the Beard Club promises to make that journey easier. Known for its grooming kits and tools, the Beard Club offers products like the Derma Roller, beard oils, vitamins, and trimmers designed to support healthier and fuller beard growth. The Beard Club Derma Roller, one of its most popular items, uses 540 titanium microneedles at about 0.25 to zero point 0.3 millimeters length to gently roll over the skin. This process, called microneedling, may help stimulate hair follicles and improve absorption of beard oils. Many users say the roller feels solid and notice benefits such as softer facial hair, less itch, and in some cases, new hairs in patchy spots after consistent use. The beard oils included in some kits are also praised for their scent and ability to keep hair moisturized. However, results are not guaranteed. Some men report little to no growth changes, while others mention mild irritation if the roller is not cleaned well. Unlike clinically approved treatments like minoxidil, the Beard Club's tools and oils rely more on personal experiences than strong scientific proof. The Beard Club started in 2015 as a subscription service and has since become a popular name in men's beard care. In conclusion, the Beard Club is worth trying if you want affordable and simple beard care tools, but it works best with patience, consistency, and realistic expectations.